Hello viewers, this is Dharmaraj. So, nowadays there is a huge demand in the AWS, and I was trying to gather some knowledges about the AWS from the end-to-end flow, along with the step-by-step process. But I won't see any materials or anything apart from the Amazon help or support team. Find end-to-end flow. So I thought I explored something, and I gone through a couple of examples and gone through the Amazon provided, starting from the scratch. And I tried to shrink, I tried to minimize for the Java developers who want to work with the S3. And in upcoming days I will create some more videos for the EC2 and more Amazon's services also. So I tried my best to make it so simple, and it should be step by step, and end to end flow. And we'll cover this five things here. We'll create an AWS account. That's really a very easy one. And create a AWS user. I will show how to create a AWS user and configure Eclipse with AWS. Then import the a sample file to the S3 is a cloud-based storage device provided by the Amazon. So we'll see a file how to store and delete and retrieve from the AWS cloud. And that would be a standalone application which will be done through a main method in the Java file. And one is the demonstration. So before going ahead for the create AWS user account in Eclipse, I just want to show you what exactly we are trying to achieve after finishing this video. So quickly, I'm jumping to this S3, and I'll come back to the desktop later on, but I just want to start from the bottom to top here. So this is the sample code provided by the AWS. Here, this is a bucket name, and the bucket name, let's make it my fast S3 bucket 3, and here S3 my S3 Dharmaraj. Okay, Dharmaraj Vanagiri. Now save it. Let's run it. And before running, I just want to show what is the current status of this bucket. Now we are in Amazon S3, and you could see this is my first S3 bucket 2, which was I run before started making this tutorial. So we are expecting one more bucket should create after running this method. Okay, run it. Creating bucket, my first S3 bucket 3. Okay, if you'll see the console, this is the 3 what I have just given here, and along with the random UID also. Listing the bucket, it's fetching the buckets which was 3, and the earlier available was the 2. And no update was, yeah, this is the downloading of the object. One is I created a plain text file. These are the content of that file, and this is the name what I had given in this bucket, Dharmaraj Panigre, and size will be 130. Let's see whether this bucket has been created in the AWS cloud or not. Okay, so for that I need to refresh. Yeah, See, my first S3 bucket 3, it has got created, and the region is US West, and the timing is here, 2 minutes before. Let's go inside to see what's inside the bucket. This is the, see the file, and the file and the link size, all the description of that file has been mentioned here. We could retrieve that, and manually, if you will see the properties of the file, and permission is also here. This is my user, read, write, and created. We'll see how to give the permissions and create a user for AWS, programmatic user. So let's open it. Let's see what will open. It will going to ask me the allow. I need to click it again. Yeah, it will open a new browser. See, this is the content. This is the content what we have provided in our Eclipse. Okay, so this is what we are expecting after the finishing of this tutorial. How to store the files into the Amazon Web Services cloud, um, um, by using AWS SDK. So let's back to the our content. So let's go one by one. So create a AWS account. Creating a AWS account, it's not at all a big deal. Still, you just need to log in. Let me sign out so that I could see you how you could log in. If you won't have the login credential, at least you could